Splendid view of Khandadhar waterfall after climbing about 490 steps. Another 190 or so steps to the top, which we will go after some time. This is one of the highest waterfall in Odessa, falling about 220 meters height. Sound of the water is so mesmerizing. It takes away all your tiredness. Something about a water body, especially a waterfall, which is Mother Nature's beauty. It attracts you so much. Thanks to Odisha government now, which is focusing on making such beautiful place into tourist spots with proper steps and resting place. People should come and visit such places, enjoy the nature, and contribute towards the local tourism. The stream is flowing down from here.